Hey guys, let's unbox this triple monitor docking station from TobenONE. I've been using this TobenONE devices for a while. They're pretty good. There we go. So here you see some paperwork for this TobenONE docking station. This is the UDS056 triple monitor docking station, okay? So here you have all the information about how to use it, resolution and everything else. So pretty good. Here are the ports and connectors. Let me just go directly here to the docking station. So I'm curious about this one. It comes here in a plastic. Let me just remove from here. There we go. Better the way. Here we go. The docking station itself. Super nice. You see here the ports. So DisplayPort number 1, 2, and HDMI 1, 2, and 3. So here's the information here. Maximal support for triple monitor 4K at 60 Hz. Here's the host connection, so you can connect this directly to your computer, and you can connect the monitors here. So you see triple monitors with this resolution, right? You need to install a software on your computer to make it run. So you have all the information on the user guide. I've been using this TobenONE docking station for some time, so I know how it works, right? This is a new one, but I used another one there. It's the same way. So USB 2.0 here, another one. You see here output for phones, 5 gigabits per second USB-A, another one here, and connection to the Ethernet. So you can connect to your router and power the device from here, okay? So SD card and micro SD card slot. You can just install them here. Here on the top there's something, not sure about what it is yet. I will check the user guide. And here in front you see ports. So power device, you can power device up to 45 watts, 2 of them. And here 10 gigabits per second connection for your computer, so you can load things pretty fast, right? Here's the model, UDS056. Here's the website and email if you need to contact them. So super nice. I can install this and start using with my computer. I have a MacBook and also a Dell computer, so I can test with both. This is just an unboxing. Later I'm gonna make a video about the installation, setup, and everything else, right? Let me just check here what I have on this box. This is the power supply, right? So the power supply and a cable. Oh, this is nice. I have here USB-A and an adapter for USB-C. And the other end here is a USB-C. So you can connect this and use with the docking station. Let's go to the host part, just right here. There we go. So you connect this one here. And then the other end you connect to your computer if you have USB-A or USB-C. Okay. So pretty good. I'm going to make videos later about this TobenONE docking station. You can get this on Amazon. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.